What can you see on the board? Dussehra. So today the boys of standard 4th A, the boys of class 4th A, they are going to tell you something more about Dussehra. Dussehra is also called as Vijay Dashmi, and these boys are going to tell you something more about Dussehra. Sit quiet and please pay attention to whatever they are going to present to you.
What a game, guys. That was unbelievable. I know, right? 10 will be absolutely dominated out there. Greens, that always rolls. Boys, we play like a well-oiled machine. And the crowd went wild. Did you hear them cheering for us? Yeah, it was electric. I never we seen your fans so hyped up. It's like a dream come true.
All of your hard work paid off, boys. We have been training for this movement.
The number 10 did all the goal were scored by him.
Really? What is his name?
Ram.
That reminds me of our Indian epic Ramayana.
Sir, tell us more about it.
Okay, then come and listen.
Once upon a time, in a beautiful city of Ayodhya, lived a noble prince Rama and his beloved wife Sita. One day, due to a twist of fate, Rama and Sita were sent into the forest. There, they encountered the loyal Hanuman. He promised them that he would always protect them. Meanwhile, in a distant land of Lanka, the evil demon king Ravana lived. With his evil plan, he kidnapped Sita in a disguise of a sadhu. Hanuman learned of Sita's captivity and decided to help Rama. Rama and Lakshman, with the help of Hanuman and the monkey army, fought a fierce battle against Ravana to rescue Sita. Finally, they managed to rescue Sita by killing the 10-headed monster Ravana. Rama and his companions returned to Ayodhya, where the people celebrated their safe return with a grand procession known as Ram Leela.
Good always triumphs over evil and love, and so the stories of Rama and Sita and their adventures in Ram Leela teach us the values of life. Just then our best player Ram, jersey number 10, 10 scored 10 goals. Let us also learn 10 goals from the festival of Dussehra. Let us kill 10 vices and bring in 10 virtues. Let us kill anger and bring in patience. Let us kill greed and bring in generosity. Let us kill laziness and bring in hard work. Let us kill jealousy and bring in happiness. Let us kill pride and bring in humility. Let us kill lies and bring in honesty. Let us kill indifference and bring in compassion. Let us kill judgment and bring in tolerance. Let us kill deceit and bring in purity. Let us kill gluttony and bring in self-control.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Come on, chant this mantra. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Good afternoon, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Just now we had a wonderful, short, meaningful presentation on the celebration of Dussehra. In India, we have this Dussehra, Diwali festivals during this time of October, November. It means lots. For example, we celebrate the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana by taking Sita back, which we have just seen. In some parts of India, we also celebrate the victory of goddess Durga against the demon, the buffalo demon, Mahishasura, which also is celebrated in some places. In some places, this is also the end of the harvest festival, and people also celebrate different festivals. What is important is we win against the truth, and we put darkness, we bring light, and that is what the students showed us with the lights. And we also had those 10 values and the 10 vices which we need to take off. The 10 heads of the Ravana, as they call, should be cut off with the 10 vices and bring in 10 virtues. I suppose this will bring in meaning in us, in our life, as well as in the life of people, so that our country will be always victorious, will be led by the light, and will be led by the truth. Wish you all the best, and we thank and once again congratulate and clap for the boys and the teacher who has presented this. Thank you.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः